So I've just finished picking all the lemons off of the trees. Gonna go in and juice them, get them in the freezer. Then we got to get out here and trim these trees up so they'll make fruit for next year. So we got all the lemons off the tree. So I brought them inside and washed all the dirt and debris off of them. I've got them right here on the cutting board. What we're going to do is we're going to juice them into this juicer, and then I'm going to pour that juice as I work through it into this pitcher. And then at the end, when I get through with I'm going to take all the juice from the pitcher and pour into these ice trays. These particular ice trays that I have, each one of these square holes is going to hold about 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And then what I'll do is once that freezes, I'm going to crack the ice trays into either a mason jar or a reusable Ziploc bag and place it in the freezer. And that way, whenever I have recipes that I need fresh lemon juice for and I don't have a fresh lemon on hand, I'll be able to just grab those ice cubes out of the freezer and use the lemon juice, so I have fresh lemon juice all year round. So I've already got some sliced up here. I'm just going to show you how I juice it into this juicer, and then I'll come back and show you how I empty it into the ice trays. Look how that just cleans all that juice out, all the seeds. It is a little bit noisy, and I will have to empty the seeds out to allow the juice to come through at some point. I won't make you sit here and listen to this loud noise the whole way. I just wanted to show you how I do it. And the amount of juice, these were left on the tree a long time, so they're nice and juicy. I do oranges. We do have some orange trees, and I do the orange juice the same way. So I'm going to be back here in a minute once I get all these juiced, and I'll show you how we put it into the trays and then how we put it into the freezer. So we had about 30 lemons, roughly about 30 lemons, and I juiced them all in the juicer, and it looks like we got about a half a gallon of lemon juice here, straight lemon juice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these ice trays, and I'm going to fill the ice tray up with the lemon juice. Depending on how many ice trays you have. Like I said, each hole is roughly, get them all filled up. Each hole is roughly 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. So when I crack these open, like I said, I'll either put them in a mason jar or in a reusable Ziploc bag. Also, I think I have a silicone ice tray that is larger than this. I may fill it up as well to help this go a little faster, but once I get them in the freezer and they get frozen, I'll show you how we pop them out and store them individually for individual recipe use. So we're back. I've got my ice trays that I filled with the lemon juice that we juiced, and now that they're frozen, I'm just going to crack those, and I'm just going to crack them into a bowl so that they don't go everywhere. Empty. One more the same way. Empty it into the bowl. Then we're going to take our reusable Ziploc bag, and we're just going to dip it up like that. Empty it into the bag. Now they're in 2 tablespoon increments. Now we can place these in the freezer. They'll be individual, and whenever we need lemon cubes, we've got them right there. Gonna get all that air out of there, put them in the freezer, and then in upcoming videos, you'll see us using the fresh lemon juice all year round.